The United States legal system is like a vast and intricate tapestry, woven with care and complexity. It is woven from many threads, each representing a different source and type of law, from federal statutes to state regulations and even local ordinances. Understanding these various threads is crucial for every citizen, as it provides a foundation for navigating the complexities of our legal landscape. It empowers us to navigate our daily lives confidently, whether we're dealing with contracts, understanding our rights, or resolving disputes. Knowledge of the law ensures we can exercise our rights and uphold our responsibilities, from voting in elections to advocating for social justice. This understanding is essential for a just and orderly society, where everyone knows their rights and obligations. Think of it like learning a new language. Just as mastering a new language opens up new opportunities, understanding legal terminology and concepts can unlock new avenues for personal and professional growth. The language of law has its own terms and concepts, which can seem daunting at first, but become clearer with study and practice. Once you grasp the basics, you can better comprehend legal documents, news reports, and political debates, making you a more informed participant in society. This knowledge helps you make informed decisions about your own life and participate actively in civic discourse, whether you're discussing local policies or national legislation. Ultimately, understanding U.S. law is about more than just avoiding trouble. It's about being proactive in your community and contributing to the greater good. It's about being an informed, engaged, and empowered citizen, ready to take on the challenges and opportunities that come your way. At the heart of the U.S. legal system lies the Constitution. Ratified in 1788, this document serves as the supreme law of the land. It establishes the framework for our government and guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. The Constitution is divided into several key parts. The first 10 amendments, known as the Bill of Rights, protect individual liberties. These include freedom of speech, religion, and the press, as well as the right to bear arms and the right to a fair trial. The Constitution also outlines the powers and responsibilities of the three branches of government: the legislative, executive, and judicial. This separation of powers ensures that no single branch becomes too powerful. Finally, the Constitution provides a mechanism for amendments, allowing it to adapt to the changing needs of society. While the Constitution provides the foundation, much of our day-to-day life is governed by statutory law. These are written laws passed by legislative bodies at both the federal and state levels. Congress enacts federal statutes, which apply nationwide. State legislatures, on the other hand, pass laws that apply within their respective states. Examples of federal statutes include the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Another example is the Clean Air Act, aimed at protecting human health and the environment by regulating air emissions. At the state level, examples of statutes include traffic laws, building codes, and education regulations. These laws are essential for maintaining order, protecting public safety, and addressing various social and economic issues. Section 4, Administrative Law, Regulations for a Functioning Society. In addition to statutory law, administrative law plays a crucial role in the U.S. legal system. Administrative law comprises the rules and regulations created by government agencies. These agencies are established by Congress or state legislatures to oversee specific areas, such as environmental protection, workplace safety, and consumer product safety. For instance, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, sets standards for air and water quality, while the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, establishes workplace safety regulations. Administrative agencies have the authority to enforce these rules and regulations, often through investigations, hearings, and the issuance of fines or other penalties. Understanding administrative law is crucial for businesses and individuals alike, as it impacts various aspects of our daily lives, from the food we eat to the products we use. Section 5. Case Law, Learning from Legal Precedents. Case law, also known as common law, is another essential element of the U.S. legal system. It is a body of unwritten laws based on legal precedents established by the courts. Case law is crucial because it helps interpret and apply statutory laws in real-world situations. It develops through the decisions made by judges in individual court cases. These decisions are often documented in detailed written opinions, which explain the reasoning behind the court's ruling. This process allows for a comprehensive understanding of how laws are applied and interpreted. When a court interprets a statute or the Constitution, its decision becomes a precedent. This precedent serves as a guiding principle for future cases with similar facts or legal issues. It ensures that similar cases are treated similarly, promoting fairness and equality in the legal system. This means that future courts handling similar cases are expected to follow the same legal reasoning. By adhering to precedents, courts maintain a consistent and predictable legal environment, which is essential for the rule of law. This principle, known as stare decisis, which is Latin for to stand by things decided, provides consistency and predictability in the application of the law. Stare decisis ensures that legal decisions are not made arbitrarily, but are grounded in established legal principles and past rulings. Landmark cases such as Brown v. Board of Education in 1954, which declared state-sponsored segregation in public schools unconstitutional, have significantly shaped the legal landscape and continue to influence legal interpretations today. These landmark decisions often address fundamental issues of justice and equality, setting important legal standards for future generations. Case law ensures that the law evolves over time to address new challenges and societal changes while maintaining a degree of stability and fairness. As society progresses, new legal issues emerge, and case law adapts to provide solutions that reflect contemporary values and norms. This dynamic nature of case law allows the legal system to remain relevant and responsive to the needs of the people it serves. Section 6, Criminal Law versus Civil Law. Different actions, different consequences. The U.S. legal system distinguishes between two primary categories of law: criminal law and civil law. Criminal law deals with offenses against the state or society as a whole. These offenses are considered harmful to the public order and are prosecuted by the government. Examples of criminal offenses include theft, assault, and murder. Civil law, on the other hand, focuses on disputes between private parties, such as individuals or organizations. These disputes typically involve private rights and remedies, such as breaches of contract, property disputes, or personal injury claims. In criminal cases, the government seeks to punish the offender through fines, imprisonment, or other penalties. In contrast, civil cases typically seek to compensate the injured party for their losses through monetary damages or other forms of relief. Section 7. Navigating the complexities. The significance of a knowledgeable citizenry. The U.S. legal system, with its multiple layers and intricate procedures, can seem daunting at first glance. From federal to state laws and from statutes to regulations, the sheer volume of legal information can be overwhelming. However, understanding the fundamental sources and types of law is crucial for every citizen. This knowledge forms the foundation upon which we can build our understanding of more complex legal concepts. This knowledge empowers us to navigate our daily lives effectively, protect our rights, and fulfill our civic responsibilities. It enables us to make informed decisions, whether we're voting in an election, serving on a jury, or simply understanding our rights in everyday situations. By comprehending the Constitution's role as the bedrock of our legal system, we gain insight into the principles that have shaped our nation. The Constitution not only outlines our rights and freedoms, but also establishes the framework for our government and legal system. Recognizing the significance of laws enacted by our elected representatives is equally important. These laws reflect the will of the people and address the evolving needs of our society. They are the result of a democratic process that involves debate, compromise, and consensus. Appreciating the impact of administrative regulations and judicial precedents further enhances our understanding. Administrative regulations, created by government agencies, provide detailed guidelines on how laws are to be implemented. Judicial precedents, established by court decisions, interpret and apply laws in specific cases, shaping future legal interpretations. By understanding these elements, we gain a deeper understanding of the principles that govern our society. We become more aware of how laws affect our daily lives, and how we can engage with the legal system to advocate for change. Moreover, distinguishing between criminal and civil law allows us to grasp the different consequences associated with various actions. Criminal law deals with offenses against the state and society, while civil law addresses disputes between individuals or organizations. Understanding these distinctions helps us appreciate the mechanisms in place to address wrongdoing and resolve disputes. We also learn about the various methods of dispute resolution, such as mediation and arbitration, which offer alternatives to traditional court proceedings. These methods can be more efficient and less adversarial, providing parties with the opportunity to reach mutually agreeable solutions. In conclusion, the U.S. legal system, while undeniably complex, is a testament to our nation's commitment to justice, fairness, and the rule of law. It reflects our collective values and aspirations, and it provides the framework for resolving conflicts and protecting rights. By fostering a greater understanding of this system, we contribute to a more informed, engaged, and just society for all. An informed citizenry is better equipped to participate in democratic processes, advocate for their rights, and hold their government accountable. In this way, we ensure that the principles of justice and fairness continue to guide our nation.